how to change upload quality on YouTube in 2024. That's quite simple, easy and interesting. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button to get updated for more upcoming tutorials. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So basically upload quality is the quality of the video that we get while uploading our video on your YouTube channel. So basically it should be high. Because everyone wants high quality video to be uploaded on his channel. So in order to upload high quality videos on YouTube, simply open the YouTube application, and then you will have to click on your profile on the bottom right. Now click on the gear at the top right. Now you'll have to click on upload just above live chat on the bottom. Now on the top there is an option of upload quality. You will have to simply click on it, and now you'll have to click on the upload quality that you want. I have selected to full quality because I generally upload videos up to 2K. So I selected full quality. You can select 1080p or 720p. That's your own choice. That's how you can easily change the upload quality on YouTube in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.